So how's the fishing?
Cold. Not very good.
How many caught? How many bites you had? Well, so the good news is you haven't lost any.
I haven't lost one. Hooked up to everyone that bit.
Are your toes cold?
Yeah.
What do you think? What do you think the temperature is?
It's about 47.
We think it's snowing in Red Lodge. I'm gonna give it one more try. Not that I'm cold or anything.
How are you doing, John? Good. Beautiful sunny day, June.
I never thought I'd wear a life jacket.
That's a warm jacket.
I got socks on.
You got socks on.